Getting rich overnight without money is unrealistic unless you win the lottery or inherit wealth. However, if you mean making money quickly with little to no investment, here are some realistic ways to earn money fast. If you're looking to get rich overnight without money, you need to understand a few key things. 1. Getting rich overnight is very rare unless you win the lottery, inherit money, or take a huge financial risk, like gambling or risky stock trading. 2. Making fast money is possible, but it usually requires effort, skill, or luck. Here are some realistic ways to make quick money without needing any upfront investment. Flip free stuff for profit. 1. Look for free furniture, electronics, or clothes on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or OfferUp. 2. Pick them up, clean or fix them, and then resell them for profit. 3. Some people make hundreds of dollars a day just by flipping free items. 4. Find free furniture, electronics, or clothes on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp. 5. Clean, repair, and resell them for profit. Example: someone gives away a free couch, you clean it and sell it for $100 plus instant profit. Offer high demand services, fast cash. 1. Freelance skills like graphic design, writing, or social media management, Fiverr, Upwork. 2. Local services like car detailing, lawn mowing, house cleaning, or babysitting. 3. Odd jobs on TaskRabbit, Craigslist, or local Facebook groups. Example: washing cars or cutting grass can get you cash in hand today. Offer services that pay immediately. 1. If you have a skill, you can make fast cash by offering freelance services. If you don't have a skill, do simple jobs like washing cars, cutting grass, house cleaning, babysitting, walking dogs. These jobs pay cash on the spot, so you can make money the same day. Be a middleman, no investment needed. 1. Find a business that needs customers and bring them clients. 2. You don't do the work, you just connect the business to the client and take a cut. Example: someone needs a website, you charge them $500, hire a freelancer for $200, you keep $300 profit. This method works for black check mark, social media marketing, black check mark, web design, black check mark, real estate leads, black check mark, home repair services. Sell digital products, make money while you sleep. 1. Create and sell ebooks, templates, or online courses. 2. You only make the product once, and you can sell it unlimited times. Example: write a short ebook and sell it for $20 if 50 people buy overnight, that's $1,000. Best platforms: black checkmark, Gumroad, black checkmark, Etsy, black checkmark, selfie and giveaways and contests, luck-based money. 1. Many companies and influencers give away cash prizes on social media. 2. Entering is free, you just need luck. Example: follow brands and influencers on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. Look for cash giveaways, enter as many as possible. Some websites to check: black checkmark, prize roll, black checkmark, Lucktastic, black checkmark, sweepstakes. Websites go viral on TikTok or YouTube, fast online money. 1. Post short viral videos that can blow up overnight. TikTok Creator Fund, YouTube Shorts monetization, brand sponsorships. Example: someone posts a funny video, it gets 1 million views overnight, brands offer sponsorships worth $. Trade crypto or stocks, high risk, high reward. 1. Some people make thousands overnight trading cryptocurrencies or stocks. 2. But many people lose money too, so be careful. Best free apps to start: black checkmark, Robinhood, black checkmark, Webull, black checkmark, Binance. Example: buy $50 worth of crypto, price goes up overnight, sell for $500 profit. Warning sign: warning, this is risky, only invest what you can afford to lose. Reality check: getting rich overnight is rare. Black checkmark: the fastest way to make money is by offering services or flipping items. Black checkmark: the easiest long-term way is through online businesses or digital products. Black checkmark: the riskiest way is gambling, stock trading, or crypto trading. Best strategy: start with something simple and quick, flipping, freelancing, while working on a long-term business that makes passive income. Success equals action plus consistency. If you take action today, you can start seeing results fast. Embrace the journey, ignite your passions, and join us as we explore the extraordinary together. Please like the video and turn on notifications for future uploads. I do not provide personal or financial investment advice, and I am not a qualified licensed investment advisor. This video's educational purpose is only to give you the basic idea. If you need a personal or financial advisor, please seek help. Thank you.